Speaking to one of our clients who have received a lot of efficiency from using the Kolleno system, they've only been using it for a couple months now, and they're already seeing the return on their investment, which has really been fantastic to hear. So I kind of poked and prodded to understand what parts, what features, and how they were receiving this efficiency gain. And first things first was the team can now, or their credit control team can now focus on their highest priority tasks, whereas beforehand they would spend it looking, through the email system, then an ERP, Excel spreadsheet, notes on a pad, and there was no source of truth or centralized area where they could prioritize their daily tasks. And now they can identify those key accounts that require the most attention, because beforehand it was kind of just eyes closed and guess. And now with the Kolleno system, they have a centralized area to give them to-do lists for the day and what they need to accomplish. So they're saving a lot of time there. No need for unnecessary tasks or searching between different things to find what they need to do. And they actually have met their collection targets with the Kolleno system in the past couple of months, which is great to hear. So the second piece that they explained was a big help to them and helped them achieve this 187% ROI efficiency gain is the promises to pay feature. So beforehand, if a promise to pay would come in, whether it be by email, SMS, phone call, it would be noted down somewhere, and there would be no management tool or anything to make sure that that promise to pay is being followed up on. With the Kolleno system, they were able to track all the due and overdue promises to pay, and able to see what that amount was, so they can make decisions based on that for their their cash flow and working capital purposes. And the biggest part was they had it all in, again, one centralized area. So they had their promises to pay, they knew what they needed to do, and it just made it a lot easier for the team. So again, no searching around, no unnecessary time wasted, and they received 187% ROI, meaning in the space of time that normally it would take them to do 20 tasks or 18 tasks, I think it was. Now in that same time frame, they're able to accomplish 57 tasks, and that just shows there's a big efficiency gain when you know what you need to do and it's all listed for you in one simple platform. So really awesome to hear from them, and wishing them well in their collection targets for the next couple months.